Hello friends, this is round 46 of Star Hearts and Pineapples tablecloth. As usual, to begin the round, slip a stitch on the next stitch and into the space. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3 to count as the first triple crochet of the shell, and mark this also as the beginning chain of the round. Triple crochet, chain 2 and 2 triple crochet on the same space, and shell is made. Then chain 2, then triple crochet on the next triple crochet. Repeat the instruction twice. That's 1, 2. Then chain 5, single crochet on the next pineapple loop. Chain 5, then triple crochet on the next triple crochet twice. So this is 1, 2. Then chain 2, shell on next shell. By making 2 triple crochet on top of the shell, chain 2 and 2 more triple crochet on the same space of the shell. Then chain 2, then triple crochet, chain 1, triple crochet on the next triple crochet. So V is made. Okay, after the V, then chain 1, triple crochet on next triple crochet, then chain 1 V on next triple crochet. And repeat this instruction 3 times. So chain 1, triple crochet on the next triple crochet, then chain 1 V on the next triple crochet, this is the second set of chain 1, triple crochet, then chain 1 V. So this is the third, so chain 1, triple crochet on the next triple crochet, then chain 1 V on the next triple crochet. That's the third. So you have a total of 11 triple crochet fan. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 plus 1 is 11. Then shell on next shell, and this is the beginning of the repeating stitches. So we finish the shell. Then chain 2, 1, 2, and triple crochet on the next triple crochet, doing the instructions twice. That was one. This is the second. This should be chain 5 and single crochet on the next pineapple. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and TR on each of next 2 TRs. Then chain 2, 1, 2, and shell on next shell. Chain 2 after the shell, then V-stitch on the next triple crochet, chain 1, TR on the next TR, chain 1, V on the next TR, chain 1, TR on next TR, chain 1, V on next TR, chain 1, TR on next TR, chain 1, V on next TR, and so that's the way it looks. So there should be 11, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 plus 1 is 11. Then chain 2, 1, 2, and this is the end of the repeating stitches. So you will repeat from the shell after the fan to the chain 2 after the next fan, and repeat them all around. So after the last chain 2 of the round after the fan, then slip stitch on the third chain of the beginning chain 3. And that is the end of the round, and thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on round 47.